Look at little Lucy in the water dish. Lucy, it's supposed to be clean water. Puppers! Where are my puppers? Good morning, y'all. Early Sunday morning, though, for our little loving Godins. There's Red Collar with paws, I think Layton's. Just finishing up the breakfast this morning, though. We got them all over the place right now, though. There's Jake. He'll be leaving today. Though. And we got another pooper that'll be leaving. We lost a few poopers yesterday, though. Quite a few poopers, though. But honestly, though, I've seen them when I kept them too long. It actually worked against the puppies, though, believe it or not, though, guys. Sometimes it goes both ways. There's little pink collar, though. Pink collar bones. Oh, no, they got in the bag over there, though. They stowed a bag this time. Oh, look at them go, guys. We got a bag day going on. Oh, my goodness. It's bag day, guys. Oh, man. What a very blessed life. Raising little Godin puppies, though. I guess I'll remember some of these puppies by the collars we placed on them. I remember a few more by the names, but I remember all of them from that love that we shared through the beginning of their life, though. That means everything to me, more than the money does, though. That is a great goat alive. And these little golden retrievers do retrieve that great goat so dang good, though. Who is that up there on the dog? On the puppy climb thing? I think that might still be a pink collar girl. Oh no, guys. There's a little pink collar girl right there. So no, that was little Clayton's red collar girl right there, though. The black collar bones and little Lucy trying to take the bag, steal the bag from the poopers. Says, no, you don't. It's this little girl. That's little Abby's little girl. Oh, Lucy, you're losing your collar again. Not Lucy, pink collar girl. I'll have to fix it, though. Her collar keeps coming off of her, though, but I know what she looks like by now, though. We can try to fix it again now. We've got a few puppies over there. Still playing bad, Joe. Can't believe your collar keeps coming off of you, little girl. I'm going to put it back on her. No? There's little Abby, though. Guys, if y'all can, please let me know when you're going to pick up your puppies, guys. There's Lacey right there, though. Because really, all the puppies right now are actually ready to leave. All of them besides Bella's. Bella's 5 little poopers. And that one right there is actually going to leave. Bella's dark golden girl is going to leave Tuesday. Though. Got a text from her owner, though, guys. And we got to get y'all's collar back on you. Big Jake's leaving too today. There's a red collar of double paws right there. That must be Abby. Abby's little dark pink collar. Who got a bag? He said, I got the bag now. It was mine. I won it. I played the puppy games and won it. Oh, Lucy wants to take it away from her, though. So, no, it was my bag. We get a purple collar girl with flowers sitting right down there. Yes, I was right there when I watched this Will's lady. No, she's leaving tomorrow, though. The one that's biting somebody. I was right there and watched each and every one of these puppies come into the world though, and I watched them go out and start crawling and to get that precious milk of life. They all had such a great thirst for that precious milk, though, and watched them all open their eyes. lime green collar, he's acting tough with somebody. He's not hurting or nothing, he's just acting tough, giving some big barks. That's Rachel's little pooper, though, right there, and here's little honey bun. I guess they're all worn out practically, though. Trust me, I got out at 6 o'clock, and they was all up and getting after it this morning, though. I've been trying to, toughen them up, keeping them outside, though. And though we do have a chance of rain today, though. If it does start pouring down, though, that'll all come in, though. But I like to get them all used to being outdoors, because a golden retriever is actually a tough dog, though. It's bred for the outdoors and swimming, Back in 1860, though, they bred a water spaniel, which gives them their great thirst for water, though, with a yellow lab to actually make the breed golden retriever, though. That's black-collared bones. Okay, guys. There's Lucy trying to get into something she can't don't need to get into. I'm Rick, and this is our Sunday morning video with our little loving golden poopers. We got them all, a lot of them laying down, though. They're squared all over. They've been played hard and ate and done everything they needed to do this morning. It's nap time for getting most of them right now, starting to fall asleep one by one. Here's Chris's in the lap, though. Got a few rooskies that just ain't quite ready to lay down to sleep yet, though. But I bet they've been up for at least 3 hours by now. 3 or 4 hours. 3 hours anyway. Got Honey Bun chewing on me right here. Got Lucy over there with a piece of plastic, though. But this is Rick for our loving little golden puppies. Y'all have a very blessed day.